Imagine drifting through space, drawn inexorably towards a mysterious and formidable force, a black hole. What if you fell into a black hole? Join us on a journey through the depths of space and the realms of theoretical physics as we explore the mind-bending possibilities of such an encounter. Welcome, fellow adventurers, to our exploration of the ultimate cosmic enigma, black holes. Today, we'll delve into the science, the mysteries, and the hypothetical scenarios surrounding these fascinating celestial objects. Let's start by understanding what black holes are and how they form. Born from the collapse of massive stars, black holes are regions of space where gravity is so intense that nothing, not even light, can escape their grasp. But what would happen if you were to fall into one? As you approach the event horizon, the point of no return, you would experience extreme gravitational forces known as spaghettification, stretch your body into long, thin strands like strands of spaghetti. Falling into a black hole is perhaps the most extreme experience one could imagine. As you cross the event horizon, time and space warp around you, leading to a phenomenon known as time dilation. From your perspective, time would appear to slow down significantly, while outside observers would see you gradually fade from view. One of the most intriguing aspects of black holes is the mystery of what lies beyond the event horizon. According to current theories, the laws of physics as we know them break down at the singularity, a point of infinite density at the center of a black hole. Exploring the nature of singularities and the possibility of new physics is a central goal of theoretical research. As we contemplate the fate that awaits those who venture too close to a black hole, we're forced to confront profound questions about the nature of reality and our place in the cosmos. What lies beyond the event horizon? Is there a way to escape the clutches of a black hole, or are we doomed to be consumed by its darkness forever? What would happen if you fell into a black hole? While the answer remains shrouded in mystery, scientists and science fiction writers alike have speculated on the possibilities. From alternate dimensions and wormholes to time travel and parallel universes, the potential outcomes are as varied as they are mind-bending. While falling into a black hole remains a purely theoretical scenario for now, it serves as a fascinating thought experiment that pushes the boundaries of our understanding of the universe. By studying black holes and their behavior, we can unlock new insights into the nature of space, time, and gravity. Across the cosmos, astronomers and astrophysicists are observing black holes in distant galaxies, studying their properties and behavior, and uncovering new mysteries of the universe. From groundbreaking observations of gravity to cutting-edge simulations of black hole mergers, the quest to understand these enigmatic objects continues to captivate and inspire. Black holes are some of the most fascinating and challenging phenomena in the universe. By combining observations, theoretical models, and computational simulations, we're making remarkable progress in unraveling their secrets and shedding light on the fundamental nature of reality. From supermassive black holes at the centers of galaxies to stellar mass black holes formed from the remnants of massive stars, these cosmic behemoths come in a variety of shapes and sizes. By studying black holes across the universe, we're gaining valuable insights into their role in shaping the cosmos. So, what if you fell into a black hole? While the answer remains uncertain, the journey of exploration and discovery continues. Join us as we venture into the unknown, unlock the secrets of the cosmos, and seek to understand black holes and beyond. Join us in our quest to explore the wonders of the universe and unravel the mysteries of black holes. Watch now and embark on an unforgettable journey through space and time.